Hi guys, let me explain something to you. Stop ignoring gut feelings and red flags. Your intuition is your body's way of telling you something is not right. The human body has two brains, one up here and one in your stomach. Your intestines is basically another brain. So when you have these gut feelings and you know something is not right, that's your other brain sending signals that something isn't right. Like, you guys have to start paying attention to that. Don't just dismiss gut feelings because you like somebody. Don't just dismiss gut feelings because you love somebody. Pay attention, pay extra attention to your intuition, because that's what's going to save you and get you out of a lot of trouble. And when someone shows you their true colors, don't try to paint a different picture. If you sit still long enough, people will reveal their true selves to you. You know, you don't have to do any investigation or deep searching to try to find out who this person really is. Sit still long enough and they will show you who they are. And when they do, take it for the truth and don't try to turn it into anything else. With that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.